Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if the Microsoft Store is not opening on your Windows. So let's go quick into the process. First is you need to make sure that you are in a current correct date and time. You can simply check that at the bottom right corner if you are in a current correct date and time. Now if not, make a right click on it. Select adjust date and time. Then you can turn off set time zone automatically and set time automatically. You can also choose your time zone and click on set a date and time manually and change that into the current correct date and time and click on change. Now once you have make sure it is correct, enable these options and then close this. Next method, you can also reset the Microsoft Store. So click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply look for apps, installed apps, then search for store, click on system components. You will find Microsoft Store, click on the three dots, select advanced options. Now here, scroll down and you'll find repair, click on that and wait for a while. Then click on the reset option. And after that, just try to open the Microsoft Store. Now for the next method, we need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the Run window. We are going to also clear the Microsoft Store cache. Type in here ws reset.exe, hit enter. So this will clear the Microsoft Store cache and this will also bring up and open the Microsoft Store for you. And from here, just simply search your favorite apps, games, and movies. Then we also need to make sure that we are running the latest version of our Windows operating system. Click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and simply click this button right here to make sure that you are updated. So once done, close this. And you just need to simply open the store, Microsoft Store after that. We can also run the system file checker scan to fix for all system corrupted files. Type CMD, click on Run as Administrator. Type here sfc space /scannow, hit enter. So you need to wait for the process to be 100% completed, and once this is 100% completed, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows, and that's it. So if any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.